Myself, Dr. Shivaranjani, Academic Coordinator, Department of Graphics and Creative Design and Data Analytics, Dr. S.N.S. Rajashmi, College of Arts and Science, Coimbatore. So now we are going to discuss about data representation. So here the data is nothing but a fact that first we'll see about what is meant by information, and information is nothing but a raw data is called as an information. So here in the current world, here the information can be of a raw material is called as an information. So here, for example, if we have taken an example for cooking a biryani, so here the ingredients are called as an information. So we'll have a vast number of inheritance, such as the spices, cinnamon seed, pudina, coriander leaf. So we'll have many spices, so many ingredients. So that ingredients will act as an information, whereas in the case of a data is nothing but a refined product is called as a data. So the biryani will be prepared as per the requirement or as per the need of the user or the person. So that is called as a data. So here the information will be act as a raw fact thing, or raw thing is called as an information, whereas the data is nothing but it is a refined format is called as an information. So first we have to know, before representing the data, what is meant by a data and what is meant by an information. The next one is there are different types of programming languages are available. So for example, machine understandable language, or we can call it as an assembly language, and we also have a high level language and low level language, and we'll also have in high level language we can have C, C++, Java, Python, ASP.NET, VB.NET, and any open source is a PHP. So all will act as your high level language. And the low level language is your COBOL, Fortran, Pascal will be an example for the low level language. And the next thing is machine understandable language. So that machine understandable language is nothing but the computer can understand only zeros and ones. So here the zeros and ones are called as a binary numbers, or we call it as a bit. So here in the digital circuit, this bit 0 and 1 will play a major important role for enabling on state and off state. So next is about the number system radix. So here in number system radix, they'll have many number of systems. For example, if you have taken a keyboard, in the keyboard we'll have many ASCII values, which includes the characters, letters, numbers, and special characters. So if we press the letter A, so it is automatically converted into an ASCII value. So that is machine understandable language. So that one is called as a binary code. Okay. So here the number system will consist of decimal number system, binary number system, octal number system, and hexa number system. Since the decimal number system is nothing but it holds the numbers starting from 0 to 9. So its base value is 9. Since it holds the value starting from 0 to 9, its base is 10. So here the radix is nothing but the base value is called as a radix. And in binary number system, we'll have the radix as, or the base as, zeros and ones. Whereas in the case of your octal number system, you'll have the numbers starting from 0 to 7, and which includes the octal, and which includes the base as 8. Whereas in the case of your hexadecimal, it includes the base as 16, with numbers starting from 0 to 9, and the letter A will have the value 10, and for B will have a value 11, and for C will have 12, and till F, that is 0 to 15. So 0 to 9 will be an numbers, and from 10 to 15 will be an alphabet, that is your character. So this is the base of the number system. So here This number in the number system, this radix plays a vast important role, so which is helpful for the conversions from decimal to binary, binary to decimal, or octal or hexadecimal values. So here, based on these radix, the system can be performed. So these are some of the assessment questions. So you can go through the assessment questions and we'll discuss, and I'll also given the corresponding answer for that. How to represent your radix and what is the other name of radix. So what are bits referred as. So how the radix number, that is for decimals, to be written, and how the radix number for binary has to be written, and for octal and hexadecimal. Thank you all. We'll see you on next video. Thank you.